What's up, guys? It's your boy Gilmar, and today we're going to be going over our trading journey to 25K week number 3. So we're going to go ahead and start and bang this out real quick. So we're going to go over my account overview. Right now we're at my Robinhood. We are at 229.91. As for my Webull, we are at 103.21. View the screenshot right there. The reason it doesn't reflect it is because I just added money, so it's gonna take until Monday. Today's Friday the 28th. It's gonna take till Monday so it can reflect the balance. For my TD Ameritrade, I also added another $16. The account balance is 106.94. Same thing. The balance is gonna show up on Monday. Last Sunday, I added $16 to each of the 3 accounts, and today I added $16 to each of the 3 accounts. So that's my account overview for a whopping total together. My trading total is $440.06. We got a long way to go, folks. We got a long way to go to hit that $25,000. As you can see today on the P&L for the Robinhood, I'm down 31. Well, I'll get to that story when I get to it. Yeah, this is a very good, experience and learning lesson. And just to show you guys that, we're doing these videos very candid, very real. I'm gonna keep recording until we hit that $25,000, dude. This is gonna be a legendary recording journey. I'm gonna record the whole thing. Trust me, I'm in the trenches with y'all. I know you guys have aspirations to become day traders, and that's my aspiration too. I would love to quit my job, have more free time, and trade, and not have to worry about a boss or getting a raise or taking a day off when I want to. That is my dream. My dream is to become a trader, and I want to become a successful trader. And as I explained to you guys before, I'm in the trenches, dude. I'm in the trenches. This is, we're at year 2 at trading. And you're gonna have to be okay with not making money the first few years of trading. You just have to be okay with it. You gotta suck it up, dude. You gotta suck it up. Even though it fucking sucks, it sucks ass. But I'm not gonna stop. The journey and the freedom and the reward is totally worth it for me. And I'm willing to sacrifice a lot of man hour, a lot of time into this, because it's a high reward once it pays off. So just so you guys know, I'm keeping it real, keeping it raw. So if you're watching this, I'm in that journey with you, dude. I'm in that journey with you. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and view my trades. This week I didn't go too ham because I was training somebody in my job, so I couldn't go too ham. But I took a couple trades. But let's go ahead and review them. Let's stop talking shit and let's go straight to trading, baby. All right, so we're gonna go right here to trading review, where I do my trading. So we're gonna go over Wednesday, April 26th at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. right here, bam, 11 a.m. I bought 3 shares of TQQQ at 26.05. 26.05. Right there. So as you can see, 11 a.m. we got a 13 cross over the 48, bullish. We got, look, 1, 2, 3 big candle above the 13 EMA. Like I told you guys, price strength right there. RSI, the RSI right here, it's above 50. It's 58. MACD, we got strength, baby. We got strength. MACD is showing strength. It's printing green. Blue line crosses the orange line. As you can see, we got price strength. And on the shaft trend, we got direction going in our favor. So I sold at 11:12 a.m. for 26.16. So 11:12 a.m. bam, right here at this candle, right there. I saw a level right here at 26.12, right there, and I decided to put my take profit a little bit more, because usually when price action goes up and the momentum's trying to break a level, the wicks will go over the level, and you can cut some of that profit once you get a wick over. So I decided to take 2 shares at 26.16, and I held 1 share to test out my stop loss strategy. I put a stop loss at 26.09. So, right over here, 26.09, I put a stop loss, and I put a take profit at 26.22. And would you look at that? It hit 26.22, a few minutes later right there. And I got out of the trade for a 28 cents gain. So this trade with the 3 shares of TQQQ, 28 cents gain, not too shabby. Very baby gains, but like I told you guys before, we are going to be stacking brick by brick, baby gain on top of baby gain until we hit that $25,000 mark. Like I said, that $25,000 mark is a huge brick wall, and we can't focus on the brick wall. We just have to focus on that one trade and just keep building like that. All right, so next trade, Thursday, April 27th, ticker symbol LUV, Southwest Airlines. I bought at 9:32 a.m. I bought a love put at $29 strike price, expiration 5/19 for $89. I was playing the daily chart on this, the daily chart right here. On 4/26, which is right here, I saw love going into a downtrend. As you can see, when the price action goes below the 13 EMA, that means price is going bearish. The RSI also was under 50, which means bearish. The MACD was, trading very, very weak. It was about to do a divergence down. And then we have the shaft trend direction in our favor going down. So I was playing on a daily chart. I saw it go into a downtrend. I wanted to play it to the low of right here, 28.95. Let me zoom in so you guys can see clearly. Right here on 4/26, I saw a downtrend, and right here at 28.95, I saw that love was at a low right here, and I wanted to play the downside, close to that level, So, and as you can see, I bought the put on 4/27 right here on this candle wick, and as you can see, look at that, price action went all the way down to that level that I spotted. So I sold love for $100. I sold it for an $11 gain. Not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. I was fucking ecstatic about that play, because it was a very, very fast play. I believe like during the pre-market hour, because look, on the 26th it closed. The price was at 30.84 ish, and look how far it went down, all the way down to 28.95. During the pre-market, it was down like 4% on the 27th. The next day, it was taking a shit because it had its quarterly earnings, and it reported bad. So those bad quarterly earnings went in my favor, meaning that Southwest Airlines is bleeding money. People don't like that. They're going to sell their shares, sell their puts, downward momentum. You get the picture. So this is a good momentum play, and I gained $11, and I was fucking ecstatic about it. I'm like, yes, I got it. So those were my 2 wins. So it was my 2 wins of $11.28. Okay, so that was on Thursday. That was yesterday. I was ecstatic. I'm like, all right, for sure, let's go. It's Friday. We got one more trading day. Let's see what I can do. So, and this is where the music stops. So let's go to SQQQ. SQQQ. So SQQQ, Friday 4/28, where the music stops. I bought SQQQ at 9:45 a.m. So right here at this candle, obviously at the time this candle was not red, it was green, and I saw right here at 9:40 I saw a big candle move up. I'm like, for sure it's over the 13 EMA. RSI above 50, bullish. The MACD at the time, you can't see it right here, but it did a divergence. It's crossed up to show momentum in our favor. And of course, the shaft trend, direction in our favor. So my rules played out. Everything was pointing bullish. Like, take this play. Take this play. 9:40 a.m. is a fairly early time to play because there's morning chop. So like I said, I bought at 9:45 a.m. I bought SQQQ. I bought a $30 call for $101. I waited for a retest to the 48 EMA. So as you can see, the price action opened right here. So as soon as this bar finished up, the next bar developed, right? It opened right here and it went down to retest, and I bought it on the retest. So that way, I can get a better entry, because when you buy all the way up here, your entry is not that good, because look how much it ran up. It ran up from 29.72 to 29.94. That's like what? That's almost 30 cents. That's a very juicy, meaty price action candlestick right there. That's not really a good entry. It's already so high up. So I waited for the retest all the way down here to the 13 EMA, and that's what I did. So I bought a call for 101 on the 48 EMA. My risk is open below the 13 EMA right here. This EMA line right here, the green one. My risk is when the candlestick would open below. And look what it did. This is the morning chop. So anytime before 10 a.m., it's sometimes the market needs some time to pick a direction, because everybody's putting in their buy orders, their sell orders. So I mean, you're trading, the Qs, which is the whole entire NASDAQ. So it's like all the stocks all in one. So people are buying, people are selling. So the morning chop, they don't know which way to go. So usually, if you can wait like 30 minutes till 10 a.m. to start trading, that would be ideal. I don't know why I entered at at this bar right here at 9:45, 15 minutes before 10 a.m. It just felt right. I don't know. Sometimes, like, you have rules to follow, but sometimes you can bend them a little bit. It felt right. The momentum was there, the direction was there. And look what happened. Right here, as you can see, like it retested, it opened right here. It's still above the 13 EMA. Look at that. Still there until it finally opened below the 13 EMA. And I sold it for $97 for a $4 loss. $4 loss is bearable. It's bearable. I got faked out by the morning chop. Nothing I can do, dude. This is what it is about trading that's so frustrating. You can have the stars aligning with you, and next thing you know, that's it, bro. You get faked out. There's nothing you can do about it but move on. And that's what it is. So that was the SQQQ play. Let's go for the next. I took another SQQQ play. It was at 11 a.m. So let's go to 11 a.m. This is 10:55. This is 11 a.m. I bought it when the price is around $29.79, so a little bit like all the way up here, right here. So I saw this this big candlestick up, because at the time QQQ, the index, it's been running since yesterday, Thursday. It's just been on a tear, exploding bullish. And then in the morning, as you can see, it kept going up, and then since this is the inverse this would be the opposite. So you can see like QQQ hit a high, and then, you know, it tried to sell out, but the buyers came back to buy it back up. So that way, so this is why, you know, this candlestick formed, because it's the inverse. So I got fucked. And then there was a big candlestick sell off in QQQ, and I saw it right here. I'm like, for sure, you know, there was momentum, bullish momentum. You know, yesterday, Thursday, it was exploding momentum. The NASDAQ was up like 1.2%, which is very high for the NASDAQ. So for sure, people have to take profits. So I see this big candlestick. I'm like, okay, people are gonna take profits. It's time for me to enter on the short side. So I see this big candlestick above the 13 EMA. Look at that, bomb right there over the 13 EMA. I bought a SQQQ call, $30 strike, expiration May 5th, 1 week. I bought it for 102, so right up here. So I bought a second one, you know, as price went down over here, so I can get so I can lower my average price. I bought a second one for $97, and my average price went down from $102 to $100. So now I have 2 strikes at $100. And, you know, as you can see, you know, look at that. Picture perfect, just like my rules. Over the 13 EMA, price action above. RSI above 50, bullish. You know, we got the MACD showing strength. Look at that, showing strength. You know, shaft trend, direction going into my favor. Picture perfect. It follows my rules to the T. I don't take a trade unless all these indicators line up. The 13 EMA, the RSI, the MACD, shaft trend. The ADX is for momentum. Right here, if it gets above that line, that 20 line, the momentum is very strong to that side of, you know, of bullish right here. And as you can see, price action plays, consolidates right here on the 13 EMAs, and then bam, it drops right there. It, like, how am I supposed to know? You don't know. I'm not a fucking time reader, dude. I'm not a fucking time reader. How am I supposed to know that the price action was gonna yeet my ass, dude? You know, I sold it. You know, I 11:35, which is right over here. Before it opens right here below the 13 EMA. As soon as I saw the price action go bum 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 bum, and then this one went all the way down below the 13 EMA, and this one opened above the 13 EMA, and then I saw it go down again. I'm like, dude, this thing is all wishy-washy, dude. I'm gonna fucking cut my losses. And $27 loss. Ouch, bro. $27 loss. So I lost $4 on the last trade, $27 on this one, so $31 lost today. You know, minus the $11 that I won on the Southwest Airlines play. That's you know, 31 minus 11, that's 30, that's 20. So I took a $20 loss this week. For a small account like mine, that shit hurts. But, you know, for my confidence, it hurts even more. Because this is twice that, you know, I'm playing by my rules. And I got yeeted. Like for this one right here, you know, everything lined up. Price action above 13, RSI above 50, MACD was showing strength, shaft trend was showing my direction bullish, and then next thing you know, I got yeeted. Entered again, right there, bum bum bum. I'm like, for sure, people are selling off from their profits, so I'm gonna enter the short side. This is perfect. I'm gonna make some money and be out, because I was gonna buy. I bought. You know, since I bought 2 calls over here at 100, I wanted to sell at the 200 moving average right there. So it would have been from here, 29.70 to 29.92. It would have been, you know, like a 20-cent gain, 22-cent gain. And I would have been Gucci. I would have been straight. Baby gain, like I said, baby gains. I'm stacking up little gains little by little so I can build up my account. But how the fuck am I supposed to know that, you know, I'm gonna get yeeted out? I'm gonna get kicked out of the play. I'm gonna get faked out. You don't know that. You don't know that at trading, and it's very difficult and it's very frustrating. But you just have to accept it for what it is. I accept it for what it is, and I just have to keep going. I have absolutely, you know, no doubt that I will make it to 25K. Absolutely. It doesn't matter how long it takes. I'm gonna make it no matter what. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna show you guys that you can make it. I'm gonna show you guys that you can make it. But, you know, with things like this, you know, you play by your, it's not like if I'm YOLOing anything. I'm not. I have rules. I'm following the rules, and I got faked out, and there's nothing you can do about it because that's the market. The market does not care what your bias is. If it wants to fake you out, it'll fake you out. So that's what it is. That's what it is. So I ended this week on a $20 loss. It is what it is. All I have to do is, you know, keep on studying and regroup and see if I can do better. But for the next play, that's you know, I got all this out. So for the next play that I'm looking at next week is Colgate, the toothpaste company, Colgate. This is the next play that I am looking forward to on the 4-hour chart. Look at this tear that Colgate has been having. Look at this tear. Let me zoom in. Look at this tear right here. It's been popping off since 24th of March. So beam, 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 beam. Like, you know, you'll get faked out right here, but beam, 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 beam. And it reported great earnings, and it exploded. The earnings was today at 8:30. Great earnings, and it exploded high. Right here, at this push, it reported a dividend of 48 cents, I believe. So people, for every share you got, you get 48 cents. So it's a pretty good dividend. And plus, it had good earnings, which is double good on top of the dividends, and it's exploding up. So, I mean, look how high the RSI was up, you know, 81. It's cooked. It's overbought like a motherfucker. And when the stock is over 70, it's overbought. You know, once it starts getting into these high levels of being overbought, too many people buying it, eventually somebody's gonna pull that damn rug. So I've been watching this play develop. So I want to enter a put as soon as the price action breaks below this 13 EMA, and I want to ride it to the 48 EMA to the $77. So it would break, you know, right? It would say the candlestick would form right here like at 78.36 and drop all the way down to $77 on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking forward to this play next week. We'll see if it develops or not. But yeah, that concludes week 3, guys. Week 3. Week 1 was rough. Week 2, I had a good week. Week 3 was rough too. So 1 for 2, right? Was that 1 for 2 or 1 for 3? 1 for 2. Damn, I'm not good at math, dude. I'm not good. That's funny. I'm not good at math. So it's 1 for 2 or 1 for 3, either or. But yeah, dude, that concludes week 3. I'm just showing you guys the journey. It's candid. I'm not faking nothing. I'm telling you guys my plays, how it is, and I'm right with you in the trenches, bro. Right with you in the trenches, bro. Trust me, I'm there with you. But we're gonna grow this small account. We're gonna grow it to 25K, dude. We're gonna grow it to 25K, and I believe it, and I believe you guys can do it too. You know, watch my journey for inspiration. Trade with me. We can do it. We're gonna make it there, guys. So, with that being said, that concludes week 3 of my trading journey to $25,000. If you watched the video all the way to the end, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Much love, guys. Keep on trading. Trade responsibly. Trade with a plan. And most important, most important, do not give up on yourself, because we can do it. All right? See you guys next time. Namaste. Peace.